In this video, I will show you how to get super illegal crates in Ball Tower Defense. So there are two ways for you to get the super illegal crates in Ball Tower of Defense. The first way would be through buying it on the shop section. So head over into the shop section, click on that interact with the crate shop, and head over to the illegal section. So you'll be able to find all of the things that you can actually get if you buy this illegal crate from this crate craft shop. So for one, you'll need to pay $750 to buy one illegal crate on the crate shop, and also buy 2 10 or 100 in one purchase. How do you earn this money? You'll need to actually play on Ball Tower of Defense to be able to earn this money. Another way for you to actually get super illegal crates in Ball Tower of Defense is buying it through the shady merchant. So you'll find it usually beside a lamp. Once you actually take a lap on the Ball Tower of Defense lobby, so you'll find a character using a black clothing behind a lamp. So as you can see in here, I cannot find the shady merchant yet as I take a lap on the Ball Tower of Defense lobby, and this is probably because the shady merchant is not yet present for this hour. So that's basically how you get super illegal crates in Ball Tower of Defense. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.